Hi guys, welcome to my first ever makeup tutorial. I've been meaning to do this for the longest time. You know, you live in a Punjabi neighborhood when that happens. Anyway, I've been meaning to do this for the longest time ever, and I'm so excited that I'm finally doing this. So today I'm just gonna be doing like a little something on this face. I mean, I'm just going with the flow, man. I'll see what the look comes out to be, and then you'll get to know what it's like. Stay tuned to see what's then. Let's jump. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alrighty. So first things first, we're gonna prime our face, and for priming, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer in the shade Light. It's an oil-free foundation, and I feel like it helps my foundation stay longer. You can get this primer at Sephora and on Nykaa.com if you're in India. Now, as you can see, I'm just putting this primer on my forehead and on the side of my cheeks and my chin. Why? Because I like mixing two foundations, because I'm a bad bitch. Just kidding, no. I like to mix two primers because, you know, it gives me that nice. So this one is gonna keep my oils at bay, and the second one actually helps fill my pores. So the second one I'm using here is the POREfessional. This is what it looks like. It's a good primer. I mean, oh my god, my skin feels smoother than my whatever this jumper is that I'm wearing. This velvet jumper that I'm wearing. It feels smoother than that post this primer. So if you've got like big ass pores on your face, even though I don't have big ass pores, but I just love the way it makes my skin feel. So yeah, that's why I use this primer. But if you have big pores on your skin, please feel free to use this primer. Thank me later. So now we're gonna go in with our foundation, and today I'll be using my trusty Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is what it looks like. I think this is I would just like to wet my beauty blender a little. Alrighty, now that we put our foundation, it is time for the concealer now. Guys, this concealer, which is a Tarte Shape Tape concealer, on my face, it conceals my dark circles and my spots like I never had them. Like, holy grail product. This is what it looks like, and I'm using it in the shade medium, and it's got this doe applicator, which is makes it super easy. You don't need a brush, you don't need actually anything. You just need this and a beauty blender, and you're good to go. And the best thing, this will last you like forever, because a little goes a long way. Now, you don't necessarily have to repeat this step. It's because I have a lot of pigmentation around my mouth and under my eyes, and I just like the area that I put my concealer on very nice, bright and highlighted. Therefore, I'm putting the concealer. But if you don't, again using Shape Tape concealer, my transition shade. Now, for those of you who don't know what transition shade is, it is usually the shade that you put in the upper, like the area above your crease, to give the dimension of a deeper, nicer looking eye. Okay, people with dark circles, you're blessed. You already have the transition shade from the gods. But those of you who are like really pale, or just generally, I mean, man, it looks it makes the makeup look nicer. So I'm just gonna take the shade Henna, and sandalwood. I'm going to mix both of these shades, these really nice brownie shades over here. I hope I'm pointing at the right ones. Yeah, these two. And I'm going to mix these two and I'm going to put it in my eyes. Now another tip for you guys is that a lot of time what we do is we hold the brush from here and then we go in with whatever we want to do. But don't do that. Just hold your brush from here, tap in the color, tap in the sass powder and just slowly. So we're going to move from our outer corner to our inner corner, and when you get inside the inner corner, it's going to be very, very close to your cheeks. I'll show you that. Like 2 minutes in appreciation of this shade. Oh my god. One eye. Let's pray to the eyeliner gods that the other one is also equal. Otherwise, you want to make them look like twins, and if they don't look like twins, it's gonna be crazy. Just blend it on our cheekbones. You see what I'm talking about? I'm not kidding when I say that this palette is such a brilliant investment for those of you who'd oh my god. Oh, give me that glow, honey. Give me that glow. God. I feel like I can bathe in a highlighter. Like, that's how much I like. The first color is going to be from Kylie Cosmetics Coco collection called Close. I really like this color. Followed by NYX. I mean, these two colors look so bomb.com together. Not even gonna get started about it. Just gonna go in and the mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz some MAC Fix Plus. And so you guys, this concludes my very glamorous extra as F makeup look.